There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword return. Welcome to our Python Programming Insights. Today, we're zooming in on a keyword that is essential for directing the flow of data in and out of functions. Return. Let's dive into the mechanics and magic of return and how it can be utilized to enhance your Python functions. In Python, the return keyword is used within a function to exit it and hand back a value to the caller. It marks the point at which execution will leave the current function and resume at the point in the code where the function was called. Why return? It serves a dual purpose: to immediately terminate the function's execution and to specify the result that should be passed back. Return allows your functions to produce output based on the input they receive, making them reusable and modular components in your code. Utilize the return keyword when your function needs to provide a result to the part of the program that called it. Whether you're calculating a value, fetching data from a database, or simply confirming an action, return gives you the control to pass back information seamlessly. Let's explore the functionality of return through a simple example. In this snippet, we define a function addNumbers that takes two arguments, adds them together, and uses return to provide the sum back to the caller. This demonstrates how return facilitates the flow of data between different parts of a program. Mastering the return keyword is a fundamental step towards writing efficient and effective Python functions. It empowers your functions to communicate results and influences the execution of flow of your applications. Continue your journey to become a Python expert with us. For more programming techniques and tips, make sure to subscribe.